Today we're here to install the Ring Video Doorbell 2 with higher resolution and the rechargeable battery. Okay, so we have the doorbell here. Here's our tools, other faceplate, the rechargeable battery. Excited about that? All right, so let's get to work. First, we're gonna take the faceplate off. Then we're gonna unplug the battery, slide it in. And then we're gonna push the setup button, which puts it into setup mode. Okay, I've downloaded the Ring app on my phone and we're near my Wi-Fi router, so let's get it set up on my phone. Doorbell, Ring Doorbell 2, be at my front door. Okay, I have my wedge mounts up and we're angled right how I want it to be. So now let's put the doorbell back on the wall. Okay, now we're gonna put the faceplate back on. And our security screw. Now we're good to go. All right, here's live view at my front door.